Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jackie, the Jackie Cano. I am the owner of the JC Exchange online women's boutique. Check that out if you have not. I'm a wifey, I'm a mama, all of the above, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I have these two big old boxes in my lap right here of the Boxy Charm Luxe package here, and then I also have the summer I have the summer Fab Fit Fun box here, which I'm excited because we'll get into details in just a minute, but I'm excited to be opening both of these up for you guys and tell you if they're worth it, basically, if the money is worth it. If you have been thinking about getting either one of these subscription boxes, then you've come to the right place because we're about to get into these and you can decide for yourself if these are worth it. If you want to find out what's in these boxes, then just stick around. Alrighty guys, which one should we open up first? We'll go with the Boxy Charm since this one came in the mail first. I've been eyeballing that one longer, and my Fab Fit Fun one just came in the mail today, so we'll let her chill for a little bit. So this is not just the regular Boxy Charm that I get every month. This is the Boxy Charm Luxe. So if you wanted to get the monthly boxes, those are $25 a month. And they also have the Boxy Luxe, which is an every 3-month type of thing, and you get 8 to 9 full-size products for an additional $24.99. So that's what that looks like. So say you get the $25 one every month, you just pay $25 a month. It'll be at 25, basically, 25 on top of that. So 50 bucks, I guess. So this box right here cost me about $50. So we'll check it out. We'll see what's inside and see if it is worth it. I'm gonna open this. So. Okay, was that cute? Okay, so open up the box. It came with this little papel. It just says Boxy Charm, and then it gives you a list of all the stuff that is in the box and the value of it. So we'll get into this. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this Pure Heals by Nature Valley sleeping mask. So it's this little. Okay, so this is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask, an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. Okay, so the value of this is $55. It's pretty pricey. I personally would never buy something that's $55 unless it was a need, a must. But yeah, $55. Wouldn't typically get this, so pretty cool that it came in the box. Next thing we have in here is this Pureless Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. So this one says that it is a multitask beauty balm. It's just a beauty balm that is a foundation. Okay, cool. Never tried one of these before. This goes for $35. Alrighty, next up, so it's in a little baggie like this. This is a satin pillow and mask set. Okay, yes. Non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes one standard satin pillowcase with a matching satin eye mask. I'm excited about this. This is like one of those purchases that you always want to make and you're like, yes, I need one, but you just don't ever. Retail price for this exact one is $50. $50. I would definitely not be buying this one. I would be getting mine from TJ Maxx or something. I don't know. So cute. This is this is really fancy because you can adjust how big your head is. So if you got a little bigger head, it's like a bra strap on an eye mask. That is so cute. I'm excited. And then we have the satin pillowcase that matches.
This is so cute. Okay, I'm obsessed.
So this is typically $50. This really nice one is typically $50, and that's how much we paid for this entire box. Let's see what the next thing is. Oh, it's a lip pencil set in Pouty and Rosewood, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. And this retails for $28. Okay, so those are the two shades that it gave me, a lighter one and a darker one, so that's nice. Alrighty, let's see what we have next in here. We have a charcoal brush set. So this is what it's a box. It's a 5-piece brush set. It has 3 eye brushes and 2 face brushes. Okay. $1 billion brushes. Wow, fancy. Because all I have are Morphe brushes. So these $1 billion brushes go for $55. Nice, I'm excited. Alrighty, next thing. Tula skincare, which I've never gotten before. Okay, I love me a good skincare. I love skincare. Okay, so this is a Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Okay, I needed a new eye balm, so this is perfect. So it's an eye balm stick, delivers a tilt from within glow. While instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes, you'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. That's cute. Okay, so this goes for $28. I'm gonna have to do the math and show you guys how much this all came out to. Crazy, right? So next thing we have, looks like a palette. It is the Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Look how pretty. So this rich, vibrant 20 shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. Okay. So it's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. I love reading those, they're just entertaining. Alrighty, so this retails for $49. Ooh, this is pretty, okay. Yeah, okay, this is a good palette. This is really cute. And it has a mirror, my favorite. So it looks like the last thing up in here is the Foaming Face Wash by Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, grrr. I'm excited because I've always wanted to try some Kylie skin. I just don't. But yeah, I'm excited about this. And this retails for $24. If I love it, I'll have to buy some more. Okay, so that is the Boxy Charm Luxe. This is only every 3 months. You get a big package like this one in this big old box. Bigger than my face. I honestly, in my eyes, I see that I like whenever I get things I would not typically like buy at the store that I wouldn't even think about getting because it lets me try it. I think that's the purpose of subscriptions like this. You know what I mean? Because you get things that you wouldn't typically buy. But yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, Boxy Charm Luxe. I don't know what you guys think about it. Is it worth it for $50? All of this, if you were to go to the store and get all of this and put it in your cart, put all this in your basket, it would come out to at least, not counting tax, at least $324. So, $324 worth of products for only $50? Yes. Let's move on to our next subscription box, which is the Fab Fit Fun, so Fab Fit Fun is a $50 a box. You get one every season. So the one that we'll be opening up today is the summer one. Want me to be dramatic for you guys? 1, 2. Can you see? Is there anything? Okay. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, y'all, so the first thing that you see whenever you open it is this cute little magazine. They always send a magazine. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. So cute, it's just like a big present. I love it. Okay, so this looks like a Saltese diffuser. Okay, I think this is it. Oh yeah, Pottery Barn. Okay, ooh, bougie. I've never gotten stuff from Pottery Barn, but I've always heard like influencers talk about their stuff being from Pottery Barn. Anyways, I'm excited because now I have a diffuser from Pottery Barn. So it's just a big box, literally nothing. I'll have to get it out. But this is a picture of it. This one right here. Okay, next thing, let's see. This is the Tarot Co foot cream in Sicilian blood oranges. Okay, so it says that this foot cream, it is a combination of menthol and olive oil. It helps heal and hydrate your feet. Okay, that is good for a nice self-care day. This runs for $24. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is a cute little beauty blender. So this is a makeup drop hybrid. So it has like silicone on one side and then it's a sponge on the other. This retails for $20. Okay, so next we have something that is Tom's, like the shoes. Is it sunglasses? Oh, okay, bougie. And they, oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, so Tom's Sydney glasses go for $58. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna pull out of here is this Terramere, I'm not sure. It's an aloe and tea tree toner. Okay, so here it is. This retails for $54. Oh wow, this feels very luxurious. Wow, this is heavy. No wonder it had so much bubble wrap. Okay, that's definitely glass. Okay, it smells a little bit like nothing. Wow, this feels so luxurious. Psh, breaks, just kidding. Imagine. Okay, so that's really nice. You guys like those videos? Yes, there's more. Okay, here's this little tiny thing right here. This is a roll-on fragrance oil. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. What? Okay, I'm intrigued. It literally says, mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. I have never heard of that before. The little bitty thing runs for $50. $50. It smells really good, but I'm wondering if once you put it on you, if it's gonna change. I'm gonna put it on and then ask Martin what he thinks whenever he gets here. So if I put it on me and then put it on Martin, are they gonna smell different? I don't know. It really reminds me of Vegas. I'm just missing it. I need to go back. Okay, that smells good. Ooh, I'm gonna have to ask Martin about it. So the next thing we have is this pretty pink box right here. It is a facial oil, okay. Okay, so this is made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. This blend nourishes the skin's lipid barrier. Oh, wow. This thing runs for $120. Wow. So this must be good. I'm excited to try this in moderation. Don't want to run out of this. It looks like the last thing right here. I don't see anything else. This is Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mix. I guess like once you've been in the sun for a long time, you spray it on your body to kind of like cool it down. Okay, sounds bougie. Well, that is so cute. Okay, so apparently this is like, these are the pages of what could be in your box. So some people, not everyone is getting the same box, if that makes sense. So what I showed you, there's still like a lot of other stuff that other people may have gotten. I really did like everything. It's very bougie-like. And that's what Fab Fit Fun kind of makes me feel like whenever I get their stuff, because it's things that I would have never thought of, like this sun spray or like this. Still smells like Vegas. Still smells good. Alrighty. Okay, so that is all the stuff that I got in my Boxy Charm Luxe and the Fab Fit Fun subscription boxes. You guys decide for yourself, is it worth it to pay $50? Pros, definitely you get stuff that you would not get any other time. You get new things that you don't even know about. So you kind of get to play with that. You get styles like these sunglasses. Like I don't think I would have just spent the money on them. Do you know what I mean? So you get little gifts here and there that are like surprising, and you never know. They can be really great. Also, another pro, you're like getting a gift in the mail just for you. I know all women, we deserve a gift every once in a while from us to us, and we might as well maximize our $50 and get more than $50 worth. Do you know what I mean? I think maybe the only con to these boxes is you may or may not either like them or end up using them. You know what I mean? You just have to kind of like get outside your bubble and try different things. Even if you didn't really like something in the box, what I would personally do is I would save it and give it as a gift to someone that you know would like that. It gives you like a little gift already to give to someone else if you know you're not gonna like it, but give it to someone that would. So yeah, so I feel like you can easily play with all the things that you get. So with that being said, if you do not have either one of these boxes and I changed your mind, or seeing these things kind of changed your mind, let me know. But anyways, yeah guys, that is about it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and getting this far. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe. It truly means so much to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. It's like one of those roly balm ones. Do you like the way it smells?
Yeah, I like that.
You do? What does it smell like? Does it not smell like Vegas?
Nah.
No? I thought it kind of did.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, now that's fun.
It's this roll-on perfume, and it mixes with your personal chemistry and creates its own fragrance.
No way.
That's what it says.
So it smells like, it already has a scent to it.
Yeah,
so.
it already has a scent.
So it's my personal fragrance. Let's see what I'm about.